Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Ram headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin. This prevents accidental electrical shorts and protects your hands from hot components, making the process safer and smoother for everyone involved. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. Depending on your Dodge Ram model, you might find 2 or 3 retaining pins or screws at the top of the assembly. Remove these fasteners carefully. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to slide it out of its mounting clips. This provides clear access to the bulbs. Now it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. With the new bulb in place, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its housing, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinstall the retaining pins or screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully changed your Dodge Ram headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.